Hey you guys, so we're camping here right now and we are cooking chicken on a fire in the middle of the day. I don't need to wait in the nighttime to cook this, but this is really pretty right now. So my first time cooking chicken thighs on a fire. Why not? So beautiful, so gorgeous.
Leave it.
Beautiful chicken. Oh my goodness. I can sit there the whole day and do this. We gotta rotate them. It's like I'm roasting them. Oh, they're going pretty. There you go. I gotta pick up the other wood. There you go. Beautiful. Something about fascinating about doing this cooking on a fire. It's really pretty. It's like calming. That's what I love about camping, to be able to do this.